afternoon, students. We are now gathered here to understand about determiners. I hope you all are in your good health and watching these videos for your better information. Day before yesterday and in those previous lectures, you were given some information regarding definite articles. So after indefinite and definite, some rules were there, and the third one was the zero article that I was missing that day. Though it was just recalled at the proper time, and today your class will be just focused on zero articles or situations under which nouns do not take any of the article, definite or indefinite whatsoever it is, and it comes without article in a sentence. So you have to see what are those conditions under which we do so, or we omit those articles. What are those conditions we have to see. These before proper nouns. Kalidas was the greatest poet ever. Kalidas is a proper name, so it is coming without any article, a or the. The second one before material nouns like milk, tea, and silver, gold. These all are material nouns. Generally, they do not take any of articles, either definite or indefinite. As you see here, silver or tea is useful material. Silver is a metal and useful metal. It is not taking any article. So, under certain conditions, we do not use material these articles before material nouns. But we can say that the tea of Assam is of the best quality. Like that, if any particular tea if we are talking about, then we can use article the. But in general says material nouns will not take any article. Third case is before abstract nouns. You see, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is an abstract noun, so you must not take any article while mentioning any abstract noun. Fourth one is before uncountable nouns, those nouns which are uncountable, like advice. He gave me advice. Advice is a thing which is not counted and which cannot be counted. So here it is coming without article. So you should be in a proper understanding while which are the circumstances which permits you to take articles and which are those circumstances which do not allow you to put any article. So in order to that, this serial number 6, 5 before languages. Before language, we should not use any article. Like Chinese is a difficult language to this no. This number 6 before the names of diseases. Cancer is a deadly disease. But we can also use article certain disease if it is there, like corona, the corona disease. We can take the article before that if we are talking about particular disease. But in general, these diseases don't take articles. Now this before the modes of travels. Generally, we do not use articles before any modes of travel. That is like I went there by car. By the car we can't, we shouldn't say. So like that you should. He came by air, ship, bus, train, like that. Here you see that no article is used in between. Then comes this before names of relation. You see this kinry relationships generally we do not take articles to explain any of the relation like father, mother, uncle, aunt. It won't take any article. Sister, brother, father came in evening. You see this word father is coming without any article. So this zero article concept is exactly as important as knowing them in a definite or indefinite way. So you should here this 9 number is coming before the organs of body. Generally, we do not take any of the article, definite or indefinite, before the organs of our body. Like liver is the largest organ of body; it is coming without any article. So this last one before noun complement, we made him captain. Here, this captain word is complement to this object word. So this noun word is coming without article. So these 10 circumstances have been shown to you, and I hope now you have got a better understanding of using articles with these certain nouns in that. And now the lesson which will be under progress will be of quantifiers, that we will be discussing in our next chapter, next session. Okay, fine. Copy, you copy it well. Before proper nouns, Kalidas was the greatest poet ever, like that. Okay, fine. See you.